Okay guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bea. Ang awkward mag-video right now because nasa street kami ng downtown and there's a lot of people in here. Ayun, anyway, for today, we're just gonna go to Polo Park muna. We're just gonna check out H&M, check some shorts since summer na nga ang init and yung mga shorts ko from last year doesn't fit right anymore. So I'm gonna get new stuff. Hopefully meron ako makita that will fit me nicely. Kasi right now, I only have one shorts na talagang ginagamit ko outside and I need another one. Especially kapag gumagala. Anyway, after noon, mamaya, we're also planning to go to the beach para wala lang, sunbathing tayo. Sulitin natin yung warm weather since it's 23 degrees outside. This past week, laging umuulan as in sobrang dark ng sky and then basta sobrang weird na weather because siguro for 5 minutes, not necessarily 5 minutes, I'm just exaggerating. Alam niyo yung tipo na aaraw and then after some time uulan na naman. Ayun, ganun yung weather this past few days. And ang pangit niya. And finally today, magiging maaraw lang siya the whole day and it's really warm and nice outside. Kaya, ayun, sulitin natin yung day natin. Anyway, mamaya update ko na lang kayo if may mabibili ako sa Polo Park. We're currently on the way right now. Alright, see you later! Okay guys, update ko lang kayo. So, nag-Polo Park na kami. Alam nyo ba, kapag pumasok ka dun sa parang main entrance nila, tatanungin ka muna isa-isa if you're with someone. Kasi ang daming nagsumasalisi. Like, bawal kasi na parang dalawa kayong pumasok per household. Kailangan isa-isa lang per household. So, ayun, ang daming sumasalisi. So, before ka pumasok ng entrance, they're gonna ask you if you're with someone, ganyan. So, ayun. Pero, ayun, ang dami pa rin tumatakas because I see a lot of people inside na they're together. But anyways, nagpunta nga ako ng H&M and I was able to buy some clothes. Medyo marami yung nabili ko because wala. Bawal kasi magsukat eh. So, binili ko na lang and then I'm just gonna return it if it doesn't fit right sa body ko. So, ayun. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya kasi on the way kami sa Johnny G's right now just to buy late lunch na kasi 3:59 PM na. So, we're just gonna buy late lunch. Actually, we already called them ahead of time and then ordered chicken alfredo with steak combo. Ayun. Tapos, I also ordered chocolate milkshake. I'm just gonna show that mamaya. And then, kapag nag-stop tayo dun sa my Johnny G's, I'm gonna try to show you yung mga binili ko from H&M para makita nyo din. Okay? Yan. See ya. Kita niyo naman ako, diba? Lumipat muna ako ng backseat para mapakita ko sa inyo yung H&M since andito na kami sa may Johnny G's. Alright! Inalis ko muna yung cap ko since medyo naiinitan na yung noo ko. Although naka-air ko naman dito sa car. Narinig niyo ba yung ambulance? Ay, ambulance ba yun or fire truck? But anyway, yeah. Okay, we're at Johnny G's na to pick up the food. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. There you go. Ayan, Johnny G's. It's at Main Street. Meron kasi silang promo. Ba't ko ba kinakwento sa inyo yung promo? But meron kasi promo dito na yung Alfredo and steak for $10, I think. And then you just need to buy a drink to get the promotion. Narinig niyo ba yung ambulance? Ay, ambulance ba yun or fire truck? But anyway, ayun nga, lumipat ako dito sa likod ng car para mapakita ko sa inyo yung H&M na binili ko. It's right here beside me. Ayan. So, ayun. Papakita ko sa inyo maya-maya kasi si Jam kumakain pa and wala akong mapatungan ng camera right now. So, antayin natin siya matapos maya-maya. Probably, let's give her like 10 minutes to eat. And then, papakita ko na sa inyo yung H&M, okay? Stay tuned! Charot. May pa ganun pa. Anyway, chill lang kayo dyan, guys. Alright, tapos na sumubo ng food si Ate Girl Jam. So, papakita ko na sa inyo yung H&M purchases ko. So, first, I got this biker shorts. Ayan, nude yung color niya. And this is in small. Hopefully kasya siya sa akin. Kasi usually XS yung mga kinukuha ko eh. Kasi ang payat ko. But, yeah. Look at this one. It's really cute. Hopefully bagay siya sa akin. Kasi may na-envision akong, you know, style for this one. But, I'm not yet sure. And then, I got another biker shorts. Ito. Chinan! Actually, this one, I can wear it sa gym kasi pang gym naman talaga siya. Or, pwede ko siyang pang casual, you know, meron, like maybe wearing this button up and then tatali ko lang and then wearing the biker shorts with, like, pair ko siya with the biker shorts, diba? Kung naisip nyo, cute siya. Ewan ko, kung naisip nyo yung, naintindihan nyo yung explanation ko dun sa style na naisip ko nung binili ko to. But, yeah. Next is ito, sando. Ayan, kasi mainit these days. So, you know, maganda yung white sando na you can pair it with anything. So, ayun. It's for everything, basically. Kahit ano yung partner mo sa kanya, magbumukha siyang cute and fashionable. This is in extra small. Ayan, chinan. The next one is, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, diba? I'm gonna get another shorts. So, ayan. Bermuda shorts, guys. Ayan. That's what you call it. I'm into, like, yung mga medyo mahabang shorts these days. Yun yung peg ko. Medyo graduate muna ako sa short shorts. Ayun. Magmahabang shorts muna tayo since yun yung uso. And this is in size 0. Ayan. And the fabric is really thick too. Maganda siya. Yeah. And though it's not stretchy. Hopefully magkasya to kasi it's really cute. Tsaka yung parang siyang stonewash na ano, yung style niya. Yeah. And then next is, I got like a sweater. Ay, dalawang sweater yung kinuha ko. And this is from like the men's side ng H&M. May, like, napansin ko kasi mas maganda yung mga selections dun sa men's when it comes to like sweater. So, dun ako kumuha ng pullover since it's way cuter there. So, ito yung isa, pink. Justin Bieber, ano siya? Basta Justin Bieber. Ayan. That's a design. And this is in, ano size na to? Oh, extra small. I got it in extra small. Tapos, the other one naman, this is plain lang. Ayan. Plain lang siya na nude. Nude ba yung tawag sa ganito? Or apricot? Whatever. Basta, ayan. Nude color yung ano niya. And this is in extra small rin. Ayan. Sa men's ko rin ito nakuha, like I said kanina. Tapos, last na item is itong shorts nito. Ano man tawag sa gintong shorts? I don't even know. But anyway, yeah. I got this in small. Wala na kasi extra small, so hopefully kasya siya talaga. Ayan. Parang cute siya with the top, yung sando top na nakita ko, ay na pinakita ko kanina. Tapos pair nyo with dito. And then, white shoes. Tapos super casual lang na itsura niya, but at the same time, fashionable, you know. Ayan, this is the last item. So, kung napapansin nyo, yung color scheme ng mga pinamili ko, it's mostly white, and then onting pop of color, and then denim. Ayun, yun yung mga color scheme ko lately. Ayoko nang masyadong mga bright colors na. And, yun, feeling ko mas bagay kasi sa akin yung mga ganong colors, and it's really trendy too. So, ayan, that's the end of our haul. I hope nagustuhan nyo, but now, we're just gonna head to, saan ba tayo? Grand Beach? Yeah, we're gonna head to Grand Beach. Mag-sunbathing lang tayo doon. I'm already wearing my swimsuit inside bago kami umalis para wala nang hassle mamaya magpalit-palit. So, let's go! Okay, commercial lang. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo. Ang ganda ng motor na nasa harapan namin, no? Yung parang gray yung ano niya. Oh, gusto ko rin ng ganyan. So, marunong ako magmotor. Harley. Woo. Okay, that's it. Gusto ko lang i-share.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. There we we hustle, but the night we OG boy. Know that the ride or die. I'm a OG boy. Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my seat, boy. Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my seat, boy. Day we hustle, but the night we boys by my seat, boy. Know that the ride or die. My name came up a lot.
Hello! We're finally here sa Grand Beach. Set up lang ako guys ng hihigaan ko for sunbathing. Tingnan nyo, ang daming tao today. Yeah. Oh, we forgot the ano, ang tawag dun, sunblock.
It's right here. Oh, you did? Bigyan kita sa likod?
Mamaya na. Kakain pa naman ako.
Ooh.
Ow.
You gonna show them your food?
Yan, mamaya magpipicture-picture tayo. Yan. Pang Instagram. Naglalagay lang ako ng CeraVe sa lips ko kasi sobrang dry. Ito siya. Can I have my food? So, ito yung binili ko kanina sa Johnny G's. I got steak.
Ayan, scissors.
And then,
Pero, hindi siya
oh,
chicken.
there's also, anong tawag dito? Garlic bread. May garlic bread. And then, I got plain Alfredo. Tapos, yung chocolate milkshake ko, which is this one, half empty na siya. Kasi iniinom ko kanina during the ride. The Alfredo. Can I have my fork?
Ay! Oh my God. Akala ko pinos mo.
Pinos. Mukbang. There's water here. Ito gusto ko sa beach eh. Ang gaganda ng mga tao.
Yung real funny.
Share yan. Hello. So, tapos na ang pagsa-sunbathing namin. Hindi na ako masyado nag-video kanina since, you know, anong papakita ko, pahiga-higa ko dun. So, ayun. I had a fun day. Fun and memorable day. Anyway, ang saya, ang saya. We stayed there for like 2 hours. And then, nahiga-higa lang. Kumain, nahiga-higa. Ayun. But, hopefully next week, makapag-beach ulit. Ang plano namin is to go to different beaches. Different beach every single time. Para naman wala lang, experience. Although, nakapunta na kami dito. Like, it's like an every year thing that we go here sa Grand Beach. And, swinerte rin kami because free, wala siyang admission. Usually, there's an admission fee to get in since this is a provincial park. Ayun. But, for today, I think it's the whole weekend. Diba? Weekend yung nakalagay. Yeah, for the whole weekend, it's free. So, ayun. Punta na kayo. But, probably by the time I upload this, tapos na ang free. So anyway guys, that's it. That's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. And dahil ako enjoy ko. And hopefully mag-show siya dun sa video ko. Anyway, bye!